my channel. This is currently 24th May, 9:15, and it's actually the night prior to Eid. So Eid Mubarak, though you're seeing this way after Eid. But this time I really wanted to film like an Eid vlog because it's going to be different. I know that you guys enjoy vlogs a lot more than regular videos, and it's going to be different because we have no guests coming over, we don't have anywhere to go, but we'll see. I mean, I haven't planned anything as of yet, but there are a few things that I need to do a night prior, so I thought I should show you guys. Number one is to decorate, put on some lights, so we're gonna do that first, and then I have to do some skincare. Also, what is Eid without a pimple popping on your face? So yeah, I need to do some skincare. My skin feels dull. I think despite the fact that we are not going out or stuff, I think I will definitely get ready and do all that I would on a regular Eid day, and then we're gonna do some skincare, and then I need to do my hair. So I think these are three things. Fourth, I think I have to probably decide what I have to wear. Okay, I haven't done that. So these are the four things that I have to do. So let's just get started. Ta-da! I know this is very basic, but basic भी अभी तक नहीं हुआ था इतने सालों में. So we wanted to do this, and I think it looks pretty nice. It's like different and something you wanted to do for years now. What do you think?
Looks amazing.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of pumps us up. So yeah, lighting done. Meanwhile, a little kitchen update. What is this, Mama? So we use this for biryani. This is like the most important ingredient, and there are some potatoes, some masala getting prepped, there's some raw chicken. So I think tomorrow we have biryani, we have kebab. I'm obviously going to show you bits and clips of it, but for now this is work in progress, so let's come back later. Okay, so the lights are done, and my mom is my mom is cooking in the kitchen, and you will hear some grinder sounds like you just did. So now it's time to actually decide what we're gonna wear tomorrow. This is the very first time we haven't shopped anything new on Eid. How do you feel about it?
I feel sad. I mean, this did not happen in any of the other years, but
yeah, we always used to shop on Eid, but I think we have like a lot of clothes that we made because we had a recent wedding in the family, so we have some extra clothes. And the best part is that we, like my sisters and my mom, we have like similar measurements, so we can wear each other's dresses. So we're just gonna pick up. Also, the dresses are all above in the cupboard, so we're just gonna bring them down and see who's gonna wear what. And yeah, let's just take you through. So there is this very pretty dress that belongs to my mom, and I wouldn't wear this otherwise, but I think this time I want to go all out on Eid. I am quickly gonna try this. This is the kameez. It's super heavy. It has some mirror work. This is the net dupatta, which has some, what do you call it? What do you call this? Ghungru? Latkan, yeah, latkan on the ends, and then there's the churidar pant. I'm just gonna quickly try this and show you if I really fit in, or I'll have to like tighten this. So this is how it looks like. This is so heavy, like I don't even know I will be able to survive in this for more than an hour. And it's also loose to me, like to the arms especially, and I think I look so much more bulkier. God, I am still skeptical if I want to wear this, but we'll decide. So I actually discovered this dress. Okay, excuse the mess in the background, but this is my sister's dress, which is pretty loose. But thankfully I have a neighbor and she has a sewing machine, so she's just gonna tighten this a bit for me, and I think it'll be good to go. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this. This is like breathable. It is much more wearable and my type, so I'm gonna wear this instead. Just an update. making mug cake for dessert. You can come closer and see. So I'm just gonna add some chocolates and then cover it up. And then we're gonna place this in the oven for a minute and ta-da! Dessert is ready. So now it's time for some skincare. Gotta do some hair removal now. My hands are in their worst condition. So here we have the wax, there are the strips, and we have Parlor Didi of the day. And now after waxing, it's time to get some bleach on. I'm gonna be using the Cheryl's Oxyderm in gold, and we're done. So now I'm gonna keep it for about 15 minutes and then wash it off and come back. So this bleach instantly brightens the skin, but I would not recommend it to everyone, especially for people who are under 18. No, big no, your skin is very sensitive, don't do it. But for people who are above 18, you can try. You can do a patch test, you can see how it works and then go ahead and use it. This has harsh chemicals that might burn your skin. Not everything suits everyone, so quick disclaimer. So we're done with the decorations, we're done with selecting the outfit, we're done with doing self-care, and that was probably the agenda. And I think we're pretty much done for the night before Eid. What time is it? Wow, it is 2 a.m. I don't think I'll be able to really survive anymore. I'm gonna crash very soon. So see you tomorrow morning. Bye. Hi you guys, good morning and Eid Mubarak. What is all that Eid glow on the face? Okay, wow. I woke up at 11 and it is much prior to what I used to wake up. So I used to wake up at around 3 or something late in Ramadan, and this new routine. Okay, so I am just having my green tea and there is so much work to do. There is so much cleaning. Since you all know we don't have maids this year, everything has to be done by ourselves. So we're just gonna go. I am just gonna finish my green tea. I'm gonna have a banana smoothie for breakfast. I don't feel like having anything after all the Ramadan delicacies. I'm like, oh god, okay, I cannot. So after that I'm just gonna clean, and I think I'm just gonna obviously take you all through, but have a great one. I will see you guys. Love it. So after all that cleaning, everything is mostly done and my sisters are fighting inside, but whatever. So I'm not sure what to do next, honestly. It's around 1 p.m. and you would usually start getting ready because my friends would come over by 2. Since we have no friends this year, I think I'm gonna take a shower, obviously. My mom is actually like feeling too sad because this is the first Eid without my nanny, and she doesn't feel like doing anything, but she still is doing a lot. So what usually happens every year is that because of constant guests coming in, of the cooking, the cleaning, she wouldn't ever get ready. So I decided that this time you're gonna ask her to dress up, you're gonna do her makeup, her hair, and get all dolled up. That is my major plan for today. Heading for a quick grocery run. So we need to like stock up on like bread and curd for kachumbar with biryani. Then some cornflakes, oats, etc. So people constantly ask me where do I get my stuff from, like when you see my snaps, but honestly everything is just provided inside our building. So thumbs up, and it is so hot outside. Okay, cool. I'm gonna show you guys the setup and stuff. So yes. Back from the grocery run, and now I am about to do my Zohar prayers. It's so beautiful because it's the very first time that I'm praying in Zohar, because every year we would have guests coming in and out and there was so much mess around, but now we have like a lot of time. So I'm just gonna quickly do my prayers. I still haven't showered and I'm sweating so bad, but after this and then we'll start getting ready also. I don't know why, I'm just feeling so sleepy. Oh god. Okay, let's just do the prayers now. Okay, so I've showered and I have worn my Eid outfit, my hair, makeup, everything is left, but we're gonna give my mom a quick makeover before that. So let's dive in. This is the final look. How pretty does she look? Oh my god, tell me in the comments. Eid Mubarak! Time for lunch. So we have some biryani, there is sevaai, there's kebab. Oh my god, can't wait to die. Okay, so we are done with the lunch and it's about 5:30. We've come down in our building to get some photos, and I'm just gonna take some segments of the YouTube video, and yes. Okay, so we just got done with our shoot and we're just chilling down. Oh my god, look at this sunlight. Okay, fun fact, इतनी sunlight किसी ईद में नहीं मिली है, ठीक है? I mean, wow. And the best part was that we, for the very first time, we had lunch together. I am not even kidding. This is the very first Eid where we all sat and we ate together. Otherwise, she would eat with her friends, I would eat with mine. We were really sad that, you know, we don't have friends coming over. But to be honest, there are so many things to be grateful about. What was the best thing that happened to you today?
The photo shoot, I guess. It was a photo shoot, obviously.
For the very first time, we did like an Eid family photo shoot. है ना?
We all got dressed up and it was like so good.
Yeah.
And then we had lunch.
I am so glad, क्योंकि वो सारी चीज़ें जो कभी नहीं हुई है वो ये साल हो गई है. So this is going to be one of the most memorable Eids of our lives. Yes. Okay, so yeah, we're just chilling down. थोड़ी हवा आ रही है, so we're just trying to enjoy, and then we'll soon go up. I have a photo shoot idea in my head, so let's see if we are able to execute it. And she is constantly, oh god, this thing is so difficult to wear. And yeah, see you guys soon. I just set up this corner. I am planning to do like a photo shoot, like a themed photo shoot. I have something in my mind, but let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna be showing you the BTS show. Everything's like, the theme is gold, and yeah, Let's get in. Okay, so we just got done with this shoot and it was amazing. The pictures have turned out so good. I can't wait to edit. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'll be uploading all of them on my Instagram. And that's pretty much about the day. It's about 7:30. I'm expecting my friends to call me around in like half an hour. And I think after that I'm just going to remove my makeup, get back into my PJs, and that's Eid. Yeah, it was so good, so beautiful. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was so much fun for me to show you how we spent our Eid in lockdown. Mashallah, it was a beautiful experience. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below if you guys like this video. I am waiting for your feedback. I will see you guys soon in my next one. Bye. Eid Mubarak.